In this video, we are going to discuss the concept of bearing. Now, what are bearings? Bearings are used to describe directions. We measure bearings in clockwise direction and we start our measurement from north. Bearings must have three figures. For example, in this diagram, this is point O, this is point A, this is point B. Now, if I ask to find bearing of A from O, now the word from O means you have to draw north at point O. So, draw north at point O. Now, after drawing the north, the first condition mentioned here is satisfied. We have drawn north and we are going to start our measurement from north. This is our measurement from north, and now we are moving in which direction? We are moving in clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. Clockwise direction. Keep on moving until you touch the line which is joining O and A, the 2 points which are mentioned here in the question, O and A. Now, this is the required bearing of A from O because we have north at O. Now, you can measure this using a protractor. Now, put your protractor, the center of protractor should be at O, while this line should be exactly on the north. Now, this is 0 degree, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, and if it is to be measured, then this is nearly equal to 68 degree, almost right. Now, it is nearly equal to 70 degree. So, the bearing of, now this is 70. At A you have got an angle of 70. Now, the bearing of A from O is 70, and because we have to write our bearings in three figures, so 70 degree will be written as 070. If your answer is in 2 digits, place a 0 before 70 to make it in 3 figures. So, in this part we have studied about bearings, and we came to know that bearings are measured from north and in clockwise direction, and the answer is to be expressed in 3 degrees, right, in 3 figures, that is 0, 7, 0. Now, in part B, you have to measure the bearing of B from O. This is very important. From O mean draw your north at O. Now, at O, north is already drawn. So, after drawing north at O, start moving in clockwise direction as specified here, and keep on moving until you touch the line that is joining O with B. O with B. Now, this is your required answer. This is your required bearing, which is to be measured using a protractor. In some questions, they give you the answer, they give you the bearing in the diagram, they give you some values, but in some questions, you have to measure it using a protractor. The center of protractor should be at O. This line should be parallel to north. It should be exactly above your north. This is 0, exactly where the north is 0, and keep on moving until you reaches at point B. Now this is 140, this is 150, so in between them you have the angle 145. So the bearing of B from O is 145. It is already in 3 figures. So this is the answer for this part. Now in next question, the second type, in which you have been given some values over here. In the part 1, you haven't been given any value of angle that is to be measured with a protractor. But in part 2, you have been given a value that is 55. Now let's see the question. You have to measure bearing of P from O. Now from O mean your north should be at O. So north is at O, this is your point O, and north is at O, this is north, this is north. Just adding something over here, this is north, this is south, this is east, and this is west. So drawing your north at point O, start measurement from north in clockwise direction until you touch the line which is joining O with P, because we have to measure bearing of P from O. So line must join O and P, this line. So this is 55 given in the question. So answer is simple, 055, expressed in 3 figures according to the rules of bearing. Now in this question, you have to find bearing of P from O. From O mean north should be plotted at O. This is O. Draw north at O. Then according to the rules, start your measurement from north, moving in clockwise direction. Keep on moving until you touch the line going from O to P, as these 2 points are mentioned in the question. So this will be your required bearing. Now according to the given information, this angle is 40, and as you know that angle on a straight line is 180. So if this is 180 and this is 40, so this will be 180 minus 40, so you will get this one equal to 140. In this question, again the question is same. You have to find bearing of P from O. The same question, bearing of P from O. So from O mean draw your north at O. This is north at O. Then start from north, moving in clockwise direction, as this is your clockwise direction, and stop at this point, which is the point where you are intersecting the line which is joining O with P. So this is your required bearing, this one. Now you can measure this. This is given in our question that this is 40. This angle is 40. Now if this is 40, you know that this is equal to 180. Angle on a straight line equals 180. So 180 plus this angle is 90. We have to go up to this point from here. So this one is 180 plus 90, 90 plus 40 given in the question plus 40. So total answer, the bearing from the bearing of O, the bearing of P from O will be 180 plus 90 plus 40, that is equal to 310 degrees in three figures. And in this question you have to find bearing of B from A. From A mean draw your north exactly at point A. This is A. The north is at A. Start moving in clockwise direction from north clockwise direction and keep on moving in a circle until you touches the line going or joining A with B, A and B. Now this is simple. This is given in your question. This is 50 degree. Now this total angle that is a circle, this total is 360 degree. So 360 degree minus 50 degree will give you 310 degrees. So the bearing of B from A is 310 degrees. Now if I change my question and I ask you to find bearing of A from B. A from B mean, from B mean draw your north at B. So drawing north at B, this is north at B, that means from B. Start your measurement in clockwise direction and stop at the point where you are joining the line or intersecting the line which is joining B and A. Now this is your required bearing, bearing of A from B. That's why north is at B, moving in clockwise direction, intersecting the line joining B and A. Now this is the required bearing. If this is 50, then this is equal to 180 minus 50, because angle on a line is 180. So if we have two parallel lines and this is a transversal line, so this angle and this angle, they both add up to 180. So they both add up to 180. So this and this should be equal to 180. Then 180 minus 50 will give you 130. So your answer of bearing of A from B is 130. So this is some basic concept on the topic of bearing. So subscribe the channel if you haven't done it to get updates on maths topics. Thank you so much.